Hello, in this video you will learn how to turn your burnt out light bulbs into a massager. Wait for the surprise. We make a circuit using a DC motor. We connect the power terminal to the DC motor shaft. Remove the plastic part of the lamp. Using a tool like a razor, we remove the excess glue. We need cardboard to cover the plastic part of the lamp. We make a certain height using an ice cream stick. We connect the sticks together using thermal glue. We connect the ice cream stick to the DC motor. Cut the place of the key in the cardboard using a razor. We connect the DC motor circuit that we made earlier to the plastic bubble. Pay attention that the wires of the circuit do not interfere with the DC motor in the placement of the circuit. Attach the key to the cardboard using hot glue. As you can see, the vibration created by the DC motor causes the plastic bubble to move. You can use a PVC pipe for the handle of the massager. You can direct the created vibration on your muscles, which creates pain relief. If you are interested in creative ideas, you can subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.